Morning Albert, track fans, how are we doing? Good morning, good morning. So, top tip time. Yes, what we're going to do is, out of a box, we're going to make the Scalextric car be able to work with digital track. So, this is how it looks when you get it. It has one of these on there. This means you can just put it on any track, you can run that. So we're going to go ahead. What you need to do is unscrew this like this. Careful to keep your screw somewhere where you know where it is. I'm going to keep it there. And then this is the digital chip. So this is what we need to put in. You can see it looks very, very similar to what's there now. So let's take this out. Okay, there you go. And you're presented with a load of wiring. It kind of looks like this. And we just need to gently wiggle this bit out. You can see there. Take the digital chip, there we are, and put it together. There's only one way it can go together, and you'll see that line there, here. You'll notice, if we can get some focus, it goes like that. So, let's go ahead and do that. There you go. Nice and easy. And then what we need to do is we need to put it back in. So line the two holes up there first. Oh, there you go. Put that in there and then close it down. There you go. Where did we leave the screw? There it is. Let's put that back in there. There you go. And then screw that back in. Now that is ready to go digital. This, keep somewhere safe. It's different for Formula 1 cars. In a Formula 1 car, you have the flap here, so you unscrew that. This is the piece you buy. Whereas with these cars that come digital ready, you have these bits. So this bit you would screw up, you would unscrew, throw away. New bit in there, perfect. And then a good old trusty older car that you might buy on eBay, because let's face it, you know, money's money. So this one you would buy what's called a retrofit, and it looks a bit like this. But you unscrew the car, take it off, and then you put this on the bottom of the chassis, screw it back on, and it is ready to go digital. So, if it gets a bit tough sometimes, just remember, nothing great was ever achieved without enthusiasm. Take care guys, soup up and make them cars digital. Track fans!